Hey guys, welcome back to Tika's Vegetarian Kitchen, and thank you for joining in for today's recipe, which will be on plantain bowl salad. Here I have 3 green plantains, which will need to peel. So please add some oil to your fingers before doing this, please. If you don't add oil to your fingers will be very messy after done peeling this. Now you cut into this nice 1-inch size. And half fried, not fully fried, half fried. And if you have the lemon squeeze, this is my trick to do this. I use the lemon squeeze. I don't have any other tool, but I have this. And right after frying, you have to do this so it's nice and soft. Clean up the edges. It comes off easily. Now, if you don't have this material of lime squeeze, many people have the stainless steel. I'm not sure how that will work, but with this material here, it's easy. It comes off easily. What you can do, have a piece of Saran wrap or any kind of plastic, and you just add it to your lemon squeeze, and that will help you to remove it easier. Okay, we're all done with our bowls here, and the oil is still on slow heat on the stove top. I did not turn it off, so let's complete the frying now. Make sure not to overcook this for it to get, as soon as you're seeing this nice golden brown here, that's when it's finished. Place it on a rack that the air can go through nicely, like this. You don't want it to sweat and get soft. Okay, add some salt and black pepper. Now it's time for us to make our salad to fill our bowl. So here we have cucumbers, onions, avocado, some jalapeno, and chopped mozzarella. You can use any cheese of your choice. Tomatoes, and I have a handful of dill. Now you can use cilantro or celery, any flavor of herbs that you like. I really like using dill. Have some lime juice, lemon juice, a nice amount, some salt, pepper, black pepper, and hot sauce, any amount of your choice again. I have some Parmesan cheese, Give this a nice mix. Another ingredient is sesame oil. Now, if you don't have sesame oil, you can add olive oil, whatever oils that you enjoy. The sesame oil and the dill create the absolute different flavor in here. It's nutty, it's fresh. This here alone by itself is amazing. Let's fill up our bowls. This is such a beautiful creation to have for a party. You have another person to help you out and you could make fast 50 bowls and prepare your salad, and your guests will love this, I promise you. All done. Now it's time for tasting. Look at this, guys. How can you go wrong with something like this? You yourself is in a happy place eating something like this.
Hey guys, you can have this without the ranch. Ranch is optional.
No.
I am sure, I'm really sure you will not be disappointed in this recipe. I'm in love. This is really good, guys. All right, hope you try making your plantain bowl salad and enjoy it just as I do. All right, guys, take care and bye-bye for now.